everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mackenzie. If you are new here, hi, welcome. Today we are going to be a much requested eyebrow tutorial. So let's get started. To be frankly honest, all that I use for my eyebrows is I use a brush that is going to have kind of a angled side down there and a spoolie on the other side. I'm going to use my eyebrow product. I tend to switch off between a pomade and between a pencil, but I like to use the Milani just basic CVS version. And then a concealer. The concealer is not required, however, I do like to use my concealer for pretty much every look at the end of doing the eyebrows just to kind of clean it up a little bit. None of these products are required, however, if you are wanting to follow along with my tutorial, you may need these things. So let's go. Alright, so if I look off to the side, it's because I just have my handy little mirror right here, and I'm just going to be kind of like looking off to the side every once in a while. But we are going to start off by dipping my brush into my eyebrow product. And mine's pretty dried out right now, so I probably need a new one. Usually it goes on a lot smoother, but it's probably not going to go on too smooth today. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get a little bit closer to the camera, and I'm going to start underneath the eyebrow, and I'm going to start at the point and just basically underline it. After that, I'm going to get a little bit more product, and I'm going to go ahead and go over the top and just kind of, I'm just at this point just kind of outlining the eyebrow. Once I have my outline, so you see the bottom line at the top line, and we're going to go ahead and fill it in. So what I do is, instead of like going back and forth, is I take this and I kind of just do thin little strokes along there. And then at the front, I'm going to, most eyebrows, I don't know if you guys can see on mine, but most eyebrows at the front, it's going to be pointing up. So that's just what I'm going to do, is I'm basically going to replicate all of my hair patterns. Once I feel like it's been filled in enough, I'm just going to go ahead and take my spoolie, following in the direction that I applied. So that is going to be that for that eye, and we're going to go ahead and do the other side now. And if you could tell, my eyebrow shapes are two very different shapes. Eyebrows are never going to be twins, they're always going to be sisters. So that's okay, we just want them to be similar. But on this side, I'm going to try and replicate it to look exactly the same as the other side. And what I do is I pretend I'm making a line just to make sure that it is down at the same one. This eyebrow is never as thick as the other one, but I do like to kind of just overlap this eyebrow a little bit when I'm outlining it, because this eyebrow is a lot thinner. Okay, doing the top now. Filling that in, and I go ahead and fill the tail in first with the product because I like that to be a lot darker than the rest of the eyebrow. And then I go in and kind of feather it here. And go ahead and following the brow hairs along the eye. Oh no. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's how dry my pomade is right now. I really need a new one. Yikes. Alright, we are just gonna use that bottom side of it though, because that side is still pretty good. Okay, going ahead and doing the same thing, just kind of using that spoolie, and I mainly brush my eyebrows up just because I like it to have that direction to it. I'm gonna go back on this side and kind of define the overline on top a little bit more. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we are going to conceal our brows. So you can go ahead and grab whatever concealer you tend to use. This one. I am going to be using a lighter concealer than I normally use, just for the purposes of you guys being able to see it. So what I do is I go ahead and I dispense my concealer on the palm of my hand because I don't want everything that's on my applicator. So then I'm going to go ahead and pick up a little of it that is on my hand, and I'm just going to go ahead and underline the eyebrow. And I want to get as close to the eyebrow as possible, but I want to try and avoid getting any concealer in the actual eyebrow. Go ahead and drag my concealer down to cover the whole eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And go ahead and drag that side down too. The reason that I do this with dragging it down is because 9 times out of 10 I'm going to be putting on eyeshadow afterwards, so it kind of gives it a base on there and it gives it something that kind of almost primes the eyelid. Okay, using my finger, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the concealer in. And then where it ends right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of swipe my finger upwards. Okay, blending in this eye now. All right, and blending upwards. All right, then we're gonna take our spoolies through again, and we're just gonna kind of brush through. And do that. You can always add a brow gel if you want. I tend to use the Anastasia brow gel. It's clear. I just take it and then I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, just put it on my eyebrows, put it wherever might need a little bit more help sticking. But yeah, sometimes I need to go along the top a little bit with a concealer, but for the most part I usually don't. It does look very strange because I only have eyebrows on right now and no eye makeup, and the rest of my face is red, so it's all white here but red all around. So this is what I do with my eyebrows every day. For those of you that were asking, this is the eyebrow look, and I pretty much never just do eyebrows and not wear eyeshadow with it, so that's why it might look a little strange, but this again is what I do every day. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see any other videos, tutorials, anything like that, feel free to leave it in the comments or DM me at this Instagram right here. Alright, I hope you guys have a great one. Bye!